Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject teacher.
Welcome back to another mathematics class. I'm Abdullahi, and we are going to continue with our further examples on these lots of indices that we will be talking about. The next example that we are going to look at this minute is asking us to evaluate A, open brackets 0.008 close bracket all raised to the power of 1/3. B, open brackets 32 close bracket all raised to the power of 0.2. If you look at the first question, the value within the bracket is in decimal. And if you look at the second question, the value at the power here is in decimal also. Whenever you are given this kind of value, you are going to express them in fraction before you can solve for that. Without converting this one to fraction, there will be no simplification of this expression. So we are going to solve the first question. The solution of the first question goes thus. The first question is asking us to evaluate open brackets 0.008 all raised to the power of 1/3, and you agree with me that the expression of this 0.008 in fraction is going to be 8 all over 1000. The reason why it is 8 all over 1000 is because of the number of digits after point. The number of digits after point will serve as determinant. We are going to count this 0 before this 8 among the number of digits. And if we must count them here, we are going to have 1, 2, 3. And this one will serve as our determinant. And if we use that as our determinant, it's going to be 1000 in this case. Therefore, this 0.008 will be expressed as 8 all over 1000. And if you express this one in this 8 in index form and this 1000 in index form, we are going to have 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3, and this 1000 as 10 raised to the power of 3. And if you further simplify this, we are going to substitute this 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 10 raised to the power of 3 in position of 0.008 in the expression that we are given, which is 0.008 all raised to the power of 1/3. And if you substitute 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 10 raised to the power of 3 in position of this 0.008, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 10 raised to the power of 3 open bracket close bracket all raised to the power of 1/3. And if you use this 1/3 to open this bracket, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 3 times 1 all over 3. Remember, these 3 times 1 over 3, they are the power of these 2. All over, if you use that same 1 over 3 to open this bracket here, you are going to have 10 raised to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. I told you that this 3 will strike this 3, and the leftover there is 1. Without indicating it, this 2 is to the power of 1. This 3 will also strike this 3, and the result here is going to be 10 raised to the power of 1. 2 into 2 is going to give us 1 all over 2 into this 10 will give us 5. And this 1 over 5 is still the same thing as 0.2. That is the solution of the first question. That is, the other way of expressing this 0.2 or 1 over 5 is the same thing as 0.008 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. The solution of the second question goes thus. The second question is given as open bracket 32 close bracket all raised to the power of 0.2. And the final result from the previous question is this 0.2. Where we said this 0.2 is still the same thing as 1 all over 5. But if you are given without the previous solution and you are going to express this 0.2, the determinant here is this number of figure after the point, which is 1. And once it is 1, it means that the division, the denominator of this 2 is going to be 10. That is why you have 0.2 equals 2 all over 10. 2 into 2 will give us 1. 2 into 10 is still something as 5. Therefore, this expression, open bracket 32, close bracket, all raised to the power of 0.2, will now be equals open bracket 32, all raised to the power of 1 over 5. That is, taking 1 over 5 in place of 0.2. So, if you now express this 32 in the lowest index form, this 32 will be expressed as 32 equals 2 raised to the power of 5. And if you now take this 2 raised to the power of 5 in position of this 32, this expression 32 all raised to the power of 0.2, this open bracket 32 close bracket all raised to the power of 1 over 5 will now be equals open bracket 2 raised to the power of 5. Since we've expressed this 32 to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 5, you can now take this 2 raised to the power of 5 in position of this 32. All raised to the power of 1 over 5. So, if you now use this 1 over 5 to open the bracket here, by using this 1 over 5 to open this bracket, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 5 times 1 all over 5. I told you, this 5 will strike this 5. And The leftover there is this 1. Without indicating it, this 2 is raised to the power of 1. Therefore, this expression where we have open bracket 32 all raised to the power of 0.2 is another form of expressing 2. 2 is still the same thing as 32 all raised to the power of 0.2.